Hey, you. Good afternoon. Um, so now I'm not feeling very great. Since I have a little bit stomach ache. My stomach hurts a bit. But it's okay. Not so horrible. Um, human beings are just animals, except that we can think and maybe talk and work. So when our life get messy, at least for me, it's true. I tend to think about doing something that makes some sense. So, so can probably set our heart peaceful and put us on the right track. So, and doing technology is one of the things that do make me feel peaceful because technology is just something fun. It's no big deal, right? It's just like this. Okay, and so if you don't mind, let's just start our continue our study of Vim. And okay, let's see what we can do. Let's start Vim. Check what's in this. It's bullshit. Okay, we don't need. Okay, so now let's create a new file. We don't need always create the .c file. We can create any file. Okay, and maybe we type something and go to insert mode and type something. I'm sure you know how to go to insert mode, and maybe you already read the help file and you know the difference between switching among this modes, normal mode and insert mode, and then a bit more other modes. So today I want to talk about is still uh, motions, how to move around. Let's see, we have hello world, and how to how to move to the beginning of this line. It's zero, and the end dollar, $0, zero. I'm sorry. Um, so you know how to move one word at a time. It's WW. And now I guess how to move two word at a time is 2W. I'm sorry, it's not clear. It's like this. Hello world. Um, Peter is your friend. Move to the beginning and 3W. 3W and maybe 2W. It's like this. And now guys, how to move two line two line down one time in one go. It's just we go to the first go to the top of this file, it's down by GG and 2G 2G and it's GG 2G and GG 3 G. It's like this. Now you can see it's just a number with motion, and then will just do what you want in a very obvious and maybe a little bit childish way, and it's the motion. But what I want to talk about here is the general rule of Vim operation is one operator plus and then followed with a motion. Let's check the general rule. First, you don't know what operator is, maybe. So let's check what operator is. Let's check maybe help operators. I'm not sure. Operators, help operator. Okay, it seems we're lucky. Operators are some things like change, like C, change a word, delete word, yank means something like copy. Yank means copy, and a lot other more. Those are, I think those are operators, but currently we focus on something simple like change and delete. Let's show how to work, use the operator and motions at the same time. So okay, like let's try to delete two word in one go. It's D2W. Okay, undo, this I think, on the D3 word. Okay, undo, and how can we delete the from this line to the end of the file? It's D, then the motion G to the end of the file. Yeah, easy, huh? It's then how to delete from this line to the top of this file? It's D and GG. Okay, so let's try D forward. D forward. Okay, I think you can see the rules very it's very childish. But it's very convenient. And so let's see how to delete two lines. Let's go up, and delete two lines. D2G. Huh? It's two lines, I think. Maybe it's three lines. But anyways, it's D2G, like this. So if I want to know more, if Peter here is not giving you a very clear explanation, you can check more in the documentation yourself. It's like motions, I think, motion.txt, and you can get things here like how to move around and how to use operators with the motions. You know what I mean by talking about motions. Motions. You can check motions. Character motions is included. Either it's inclusive or exclusive. It doesn't so matter, but okay. Anyway, you can get many things here, like what's operator. It's not so easy to get operator. You can get it this way. Operator, motions and operators. You can check this part. For more information. So that's the general rule of Vim. How to use Vim in this normal mode. The general rule is one operator, then followed with the motion commands. Motion commands can be multiplied by numbers like 3W. Yeah, like 2W. It's like this. Like now I will try to change 3 words. Change 3W. You see, then we try to type something new. So, hello. Then we press escape. Then you see 3 words changed into 1 word this way. Anyway, it's still the same thing. Change word. It's like this. Hello. Okay. Easy, huh? So that's the general rule of Vim. Of course, you can use this in many different ways because there are still other more operators and other more motions. Check have file and enjoy the power. So anyway, okay, let's call it a day. My stomach still hurts, but I've done something meaningful, and I feel my life is meaningful. Okay, stop talking all this nonsense. Have a good day. Talk to you later.